I'm here to show you this sweet 2017 Ranger 212 Ranger bass boat that we traded in that is immaculate. 124 hours, has the upgraded 250 Yamaha 4-stroke. It does have the hydraulic jack plate. It does have upgraded pedestal seating. And follow me up above and I will show you this. It has a large 12-inch Garmin 7612 touchscreen. You have the controls for raising the jack plate here at the helm. You also have another pedestal seat up here, trolling motor, another Garmin 5412 up here that's a touchscreen. So it doesn't matter if you're fishing from the bow, from the back. It has 3 live wells in this thing. It is priced right. Come see us and I will take care of you. Greg LaRaza at Gulf Shores MarineMax.